I'm back. I have been off camera for about 2 hours, so the hair is 100% dry. So this is what the curl pattern looks like. Product in it and completely dry. After you run your fingers through it, you can make it big if you want to, or you can just keep it just nice and tamed like I have it. So let's go ahead and take our band off. This is a glueless wig. All I did was put a little bit of hair gel on the edges, but it is completely glueless. The ear tab stickers are helping keep it in place. The band in the wig and the adjustable elastic strap on the inside as well. It's gonna keep everything in place, but y'all, it is 100% glueless. So it'll be easy to just take off at night and put it back on in the morning. And just let me read the specs to you of this unit. So this is Beauty Forever's 13x6 large lace area. It has wider and deeper parting space. It comes with a middle part, but you guys, you can part it on the side if you want to. Look at that. Perfectly parted on the side, do a flip over, and you can have a long curved part. We absolutely love that. That's probably how I'm gonna do this. I'm probably gonna wear it parted on the side when I wear it this weekend. It has 180 density. As you guys see, it is very full. It is fluffy. The hairline looks natural with the pre-bleached knots. I didn't have to put any makeup on it at all. You can put makeup on it if you want to. I didn't feel the need to. To me, it blended perfectly with my skin. Y'all, this wig is everything. It is affordable. It's beautiful. It has gorgeous texture, super easy to maintain. This is one of those wigs that everybody needs to have in their collection. You need a Waterwave wig. I absolutely love. And you see, you can just run your fingers straight through. Just run your fingers through it. Even though it's water wave, it does not tangle. It is, look at that. And just lustrous, shiny, a bunch of volume, body. You can do a lot with this wig. Really versatile, super cute, really easy to do. Y'all, I put this wig on so quick, put the products in there and just let it dry, and then you're ready to go. So you guys, all the details will be down below, the link straight to this unit, the link to their website, a coupon code as well. And you guys, go ahead and check out Beauty Forever, and you need this beautiful 13x6 Waterwave wig.